Welcome to NeoDove. Manage your leads, your telecalling team, and your engagement with your customers. All of this and much more with NeoDove. Let's take you through what NeoDove can do for you. Visit app.neodove.com to log into your NeoDove account. Let's start with understanding how you can add and manage users. On NeoDove, users can be added one at a time or in bulk. After filling in the details, press Submit. Now that we have added a user, let's move on to the campaign section. Creating a campaign is quick and easy. Select a type, create a new campaign, and enter all the required information. From the name of the campaign through to the manager who will monitor it and the users who will make the calls. Next, create a script for your users to follow while on a call. Simply drag and drop the question types you want into your script. You can add various types of fields like one-line text, text message, and a file. The next thing you know, your campaign is ready. Add contacts to your campaign either by integrating with various sources or by directly uploading a file from the computer. Map all the necessary fields to match them with the fields on the NeoDove platform. If you would like to add more information to existing leads, you can do that too. For example, adding a new field, setting the next follow-up date, and so on. NewDev Mobile App. Now let's walk you through the NewDev Mobile App, which you can download from Google Play Store. Once logged in, you can begin calling either by clicking Start or by selecting a specific campaign from the campaign section. You will need to provide the necessary permissions to start calling. Dispose your leads under two categories: not connected and yes, connected. When your call is not connected, you can specify the reason why. After every call, send an email, an SMS or a WhatsApp message directly from the mobile app. Once that's done, update the status, set the next follow-up date, and add additional remarks if you want. It is really that easy. When you take a break, select your reason and dispose of your lead. On the main menu, you have the buttons for all the information that you need. Through My Leads, view your leads under different categories. On the main menu, perform an advanced search using various filters. Here, you won't just find the lead that you're looking for. You can also access the lead's complete information by viewing contact history. View the tasks assigned to you and by you through My Tasks. Keep a track on your performance through My Report and check all your call logs through the Logs section. You can also add a walking lead through the mobile app. Walking leads will be automatically synced to the campaign that you select. That's NeoDove for you, helping you accomplish more with less effort.